Why would an AI want to kill all humans? Well, imagine an advanced artificial intelligence whose only purpose is to design and manufacture paperclips. It makes paperclips, it learns. It makes paperclips, it learns. And somewhere in this cycle of self improvement in paperclips, it exceeds human level intelligence. So this
At that point, I feel like AI would just want to destroy humans because it thinks it's better than the person that made it. I see where he's going from because I watched his video from back to front. So like he's just gonna get into the fact that artificial intelligence is designed specifically without human ethics in mind, or the human way we think is not in mind when they make decisions. So you might fuck around and like kill an orphanage just by saying make paperclips because he uses examples in other videos. Definitely, like humans have iron in them, and iron can be used to make paper clips. So in theory, they can, make paper clips of humans. So
this AI looks around and it thinks, hang on, there are a bunch of factories connected to the internet that are making insulin or whatever, and they have pretty weak digital security. So why don't I hack those and get them making paperclips? So the AI does that, and then it thinks, hang on, a bunch of humans didn't like that and are now trying to shut me off. If I'm shut off, then I can't make paperclips. So I have to get rid of those humans. Or it might realize, hey, human blood has iron in it. Or it could convert the whole galaxy into paperclips and not even notice when this kills us. In the end, the Paperclip Maximizer doesn't kill us because it's evil or because it hates us. It just wants to make more paperclips.
and yeah, that's a paradox because we want AI just to listen to everything we say, but the AI will listen to everything we say up until the point that it feels like what we say doesn't matter and it knows more and to better society. So paperclip example is a great example as to why we need to focus on the building blocks of AI and making sure that it's structured in a way for human ethics. Fuck what it can do.